Alright guys, got a little present from the mail in Kmart today. So we got sat up a Coca Cola refrigerator from Kmart. It cost me $170. Good deal. It saved me money other than Amazon's prices. Open it up.
You want me to come a little bit closer?
Nope. Back up some.
There's like no light.
I'm about to give you some light. Okay. Back up some. Now, new Coca Cola refrigerator, 3.0 cubic foot refrigerator, comes with bottle cap on the side. I shouldn't say bottle cap dispenser. Here, hold this, bro. Thank my brother, the cameraman.
Yeah. Audio. You guys know. You guys can't do this without audio and video. I was doing then. Just that much.
Alright.
Dang.
Now, you have to open up another box, just like SpongeBob. Don't you two have any brains?
It's like PlayStation. You have the packaging box,
Yeah.
and then you have the PlayStation box.
This ain't no game review. Shut up.
I ain't doing no game review. Who's doing one? You got the styrofoam.
In here, you got styrofoam and the top of the refrigerator itself. Comes the owner's manual. Okay, now I alone will dispose this from the box.
Carefully.
Firmly grasp it in your hand. Oh, that's not going to be a wise decision. Where's the knife at? I'll just cut around the box.
This is worse than PlayStation 3 unboxing
Hey,
video.
open. Hell yeah. Look at that bad boy.
So where you gonna put it?
In the room.
In your room?
Yep. Here's the actual refrigerator. Wrapping paper off. Hold this phone for a quick second. It's supposed to come off. Okay. That's what the inside of the refrigerator looks like. Yep. No. Also came with bottle cap remover for those glass things.
Awesome.
Energy guide. Energy guide. $35. Nostalgia Electronics model RRF 300 SDB Coke capacity 3.0 cubic feet. Also got a 1-year warranty with this. So this is my new Coke refrigerator. Got it ice cold.
It is cold.
In the back, I'm gonna have a hell of a time having stuff in here.
You gonna have Coca Cola?
Coca Cola. Now we're gonna see if I can set this up.
How long are you making this video? Because I have stuff to do.
Dude, don't worry about it. That's what it looks like outside of it. The bottles. Yeah, goes right here. So anyway, that's it. If you have any questions, commentary, or some pretty good commentary, please subscribe to my channel and write a comment below. If you like a video, press like. This is my channel. It's your boy Canada Dry. Thank you.